Is Royalmount the future of Montreal or a failed dream? Montreal, a huge project called Royalmount, is making waves. Is it the future we need, or just a failed dream? Let's explore what this means for the city. Royalmount aims to turn a big area into a lively spot for shopping, dining, and fun. Sounds great, right? But is it really good for everyone? The community is divided on this issue. Supporters believe Royalmount will create thousands of jobs and offer beautiful green spaces. But many wonder, will this benefit all Montrealers or just a few? The questions are crucial. While Royalmount promises economic growth, critics worry about rising costs. Will higher property values push out longtime residents and local shops? Is it worth risking our neighborhoods for new opportunities? People have strong opinions. Some are excited, while others are scared of the changes. Concerns about traffic, the environment, and local businesses are real. What do you think? Are these fears justified, or are they just resistance to change? Royalmount also faces challenges. Financial issues and regulations could slow it down. What if costs keep rising and the project stalls? The community is watching closely. Cities like Toronto and Vancouver have had ups and downs with big projects. What can Montreal learn from them? Will Royalmount succeed, or will it become a warning story? Your opinions matter. So, is Royalmount the bright future we hope for, or just a passing dream? This project brings both excitement and worry. What do you think? We want to hear your thoughts. Join the conversation. Share your opinions about Royalmount in the comments. Are you hopeful or concerned? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates about Montreal's future. This is your chance to stay informed.